In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake hoses on this Volkswagen TDI Jetta wagon. These are going to be located behind the rear wheels. Let's get into it. In the back, we're going to pull this cover up. And then there's a cover underneath here. You want to pull that up as well. And you want to find the tool kit that comes with your vehicle for the spare tire. And you're looking for this hook or a hook that looks very similar to that. Grab that. Now we're going to take the caps off, use the tool, just go in the center, pull the cap off. Using a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Before I take the last one out, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. Grab the wheel, pull it off. Now we're going to compress the brake pedal, just push down on it, and use a hood prop. And that's just going to hold the brake pedal down, just like that. Now we're going to loosen up the Banjo bolt, use a 11mm socket. You want to make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. You're going to lose a little bit of fluid. Loosen that up. And I'll take the Banjo bolt off. Take that off, take the seals off. There's a little bit of dirt over here. I'm just going to use some compressed air. Just clean this off a little. That's good. Using a 11mm line wrench, I'm going to loosen up the nut. Again, have a drain bucket underneath. Lose a little bit of fluid. And just loosen up the fitting. Pull that off out of the way. There's a clip holding the brake line in, or the brake hose. You want to pull the clip out. I'm just using some pliers. Just grab onto it, rock it back and forth. Pull that out, just like that. Grab the hose and pull it out of the bracket. There it is. And take the brake hose, slide it through the bracket. We'll get the fitting started first. Just want to get it started. It's a little bit easier if this isn't attached to the bracket yet. Okay, that's started through the bracket. Now take the clip, get that lined up. Take a small hammer, give it a tap. Just tap it in place. And I'll snug that down. Alright, that's good. Take the Banjo bolt. You're going to take a seal. You want a new seal. Then you're going to go through the hose and then put another seal on the other side. And get that started in the caliper. Make sure it's not twisted. And I'll tighten this up. Snug that down. Torque this bolt to 26 foot-pounds. That's good. Now we're going to do a gravity bleed. You want to pop the cap off the bleeder screw. You can use a straight blade screwdriver if you need to. Just pop that off. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath to catch the fluid. A 11mm socket. Loosen up the bleeder screw. And we want a nice steady stream of fluid. So just watch that for a couple minutes. There we go. Doesn't look like we have any bubbles in there. There's a nice steady stream. That's good. And we'll tighten this down. Snug that down. Pull the socket off. Use a little brake parts cleaner. Just clean off any residual. And put the cap back on. If you check the brake pedal and it still feels spongy, then you're going to have to do a full brake bleed procedure. Now you can pull the hood prop off the brake pedal. Take the wheel, get that lined up. Line it up with the holes. Take one of the lug bolts, get that started. Snug that down. Snug those down. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. That's good. Take the caps, get those lined up, and push those in place. After you're done, you want to put the hook back. Go back to your spare tire, find the toolkit, and install it in the toolkit. You can see next to the battery, the brake fluid reservoir. Just want to take a rag, just wipe off the cap. We can loosen the top, take the cap off, move that to the side. With a fluid transfer pump, you want to extract as much fluid as you can. All right, that's good. Now, using the correct type of brake fluid, this vehicle requires .4. It says right on the master cylinder reservoir. We're going to use a funnel and pour it in. Make sure it's a clean funnel. You want to fill that up. That's good. And take the cap. Just wipe that off with a rag. Get that lined up. And snug that down. Now we're going to bleed the brakes at each wheel, starting with the left front or driver's side front. Then you're going to go to the right front. From there, you're going to go to the rear. You're going to go to the left rear first, and then finally the right rear. In the event that you are doing an ABS bleed or you had the master cylinder reservoir empty or dry, you're going to do both front wheels together. You're going to start with the fronts, bleed those together, close those up, and then you're going to do the rears together. And you're going to do that 5 times each making sure you check the fluid level in between. Now you want to raise and support the vehicle, take all 4 wheels off. We're starting on the left front. I'm going to take this cap off the bleeder screw. Use a 11mm wrench over the bleeder screw, and then I'm going to use a tube just to keep it clean. With an assistant in the vehicle, I'm going to have them go ahead and pump the brake pedal slowly. Go ahead and pump it like 3 to 5 times. And then hold it. Open the bleeder screw. You can see some fluid, some air. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Open it up again. A little more bubbles. Close it up. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. No bubbles that time. We'll do it one more time. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Oh, a lot of bubbles. We're going to keep doing that. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Want to get through those bubbles. If you didn't have any bubbles, you could stop there and move on. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. Yeah, less bubbles. That's good. We'll do it one more time. Go ahead, pump it. And hold it. No bubbles that time. Fluid's clean. Snug that down. Take this off. And we'll snug that. You can let up. Put the cap on. And move on to the next wheel, which would be the right front. And the procedure is going to be the same as on the driver's side. And take the cap off. Just move that to the side. And using a clean funnel, top this off. And take the cap, just wipe that off with a rag. Get that lined up. And snug that down. Now we're at the left rear wheel. Take the cap off the bleeder screw. It's on the back side of the caliper right here. A little bit tricky to get to. Pop that off. Put your wrench on the bleeder. 11mm wrench. And again, I'm just going to use a hose just to keep it a little bit clean. Have the assistant pump. Go ahead and pump the pedal. And then hold it. While they're holding it, open it up. All right, and close it up. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. Open that up. There's some clean fluid. Close it up. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. Open that up. Close it. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. All right, open, close it. Go ahead, pump. And hold it. All right, that looks pretty good. No air bubbles. Fluid's clean. Close it up. Take the hose off. Make sure you snug that down. Put the cap on. Use a little brake parts cleaner. And then you can do the same procedure on the right rear wheel. And take the cap off. Just move that to the side. And using a clean funnel, top this off. And take the cap, just wipe that off with a rag. Get that lined up. And snug that down. And you can reinstall the wheels, lower the vehicle down, torque those lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.